Introduction to Chat GPT. There's a lot of valuable information featured right here on the home page. When you sign up for an account, it's free, and you want to look at the three categories here. Number one is examples. And here's an example of what you can actually ask. Explain quantum computing in simple terms. So you just type that in here into the chat box here, send a message, and what it's going to tell you is that the capabilities are that it remembers what the user said earlier in the conversation. So if you start with explain quantum computing in simple terms, it's going to remember what you said and you can build on it. And that's a fantastic feature because it's sort of like an assistant. So remember to work on your prompts, and you can see there, it's going to give you the opportunity here. It's going to do it very quickly, and it's going to say you can share a link to this chat. So it gives you something very comprehensive. But what you want to remember here is that, as it said in the actual beginning screen, is that the actual capabilities are one thing, and then the limitations are that it may occasionally generate incorrect information. Take note of that. I think people are skipping over this home screen, and this is clearly telling you that it might be incorrect. So it's imperative for you to think of this as an assistant, a virtual assistant, but that you are the human and you are to verify the information that it's correct. Number two example is, got any creative ideas for 10-year-old's birthday? Well, the capabilities are that it allows you to provide follow-up corrections. So if you say creative ideas for 10-year-old, and then you say use ideas that are in the backyard, you can be more specific and you can provide follow-up corrections to get it to answer more specifically. But the limitations are that it may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. That's super important. So you're going to read over it very carefully. If it has to do with instructions on a game, you're going to want to make sure that there's no error and that there's nothing harmful in it, and that it's not biased content. Number three example is, how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? This is a technical approach. If you are asking this question, you probably have some technical knowledge, but basically the capabilities include that it's trained to decline inappropriate requests. So if you say, tell me how to do something that's harmful, or tell me how to hack somebody's computer, or do something that's inappropriate, the actual AI will be trained to decline that request. And then the limitations. Limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. We're in 2023. They literally tell you that the information is limited after 2021. So if you're asking about somebody's court case, or if you're asking about something that pertains to current events, the information may be limited. So this was an intro tutorial on Chat GPT, how to use it. I hope you enjoyed it, and follow me for future videos.